A mongrel results from the unintentional breeding of two dogs. Mongrels, also known as mutts, are a mixed breed dog. Unlike designer mixed breeds, such as Golden Doodles, Cockapoos, or Puggles, a mongrel results from the unintentional breeding of two dogs. It is estimated that there are about 150 million mongrels around the globe. Many people prefer adopting a mongrel over purchasing a purebred from a breeder. They are significantly less expensive than the price you'd pay for a purebred and often have fewer health issues because of less inbreeding. The personality and temperament of a mongrel can vary depending on the breeds that are included in their genetic makeup. If you are unsure of a mongrel's bloodlines, this can make it more of a challenge to guess what their temperament may be. Since mongrels feature a mix of different breeds, their size and weight can vary greatly. Mongrels that are a mix of two larger breed dogs will likely be larger, and mongrels that are mixed from smaller breed dogs will likely be smaller in size. However, many mongrels include a large mix of dog breeds and their size can vary a lot. You can use the size of the feet on a mongrel puppy to try to predict their full-grown size. Puppies with feet that look overly large for their body will end up being larger, whereas puppies that look more proportional in relation to their body will likely end up being a smaller or medium-sized dog. In general, dogs are about 2/3 of their full-grown size by the time they are 4 months old, so this can also help you predict the final weight a mongrel will reach. Since the genetic makeup of a mongrel is unknown, the breed-specific health issues they may suffer from are also a mystery. There are, however, a few health concerns that are common among all breeds that you should be aware of before you adopt a mutt. Some mongrels, like humans, will develop cancer as they age. Depending on the severity and location of the cancer, your veterinarian may be able to provide treatment or give your mutt surgery to remove cancerous cells. Heartworm is also common among mongrels. Since it can be prevented with monthly treatments, be sure to speak with your vet about starting your mongrel on a heartworm medication. If you adopted your mongrel from a shelter, they may have kennel cough. Mongrels with kennel cough will need rest, food, and water to help them recover. In more severe cases, your veterinarian may prescribe an antibiotic. In summary, a few of the possible health issues mongrels may suffer from include: cancer, heartworm, kennel cough. A mongrel's temperament is not as easily predicted as that of a purebred. Each breed of purebreds shares some common personality traits, which can give owners a clue about the personality and behaviors they can expect from their dog. Mutts are less predictable since you won't know the genetic makeup of your mongrel and which traits will come out stronger in your specific pup. Mixed breed dogs can end up being very sweet and even-tempered, high energy and aggressive, or anywhere in the middle. This guessing game often means that your dog may not be the best choice for homes with young children where a child-friendly pet is a must. Each mongrel will be unique, so you will want to work closely with your veterinarian to determine the type of care your dog needs. Once you've owned your mongrel for a while, you will begin to learn more about his temperament, activity needs, and attention needs and can use this information to offer the best possible care. The amount of food that your pet will need will vary based on his size, activity level, and age, and the type of food you feed him or her. Check with your veterinarian to determine the best type of food and the appropriate amount for your mongrel. Most mongrels do best when they are offered 2 meals each day. Here are some general guidelines to keep in mind based on the weight of your mutt. 3 to 12 pounds. 1/3 to 1 cup of dry food. 13 to 20 pounds. 1 to 1 1/3 cup of dry food. 21 to 35 pounds. 1 1/3 to 2 cups of dry food. 26 to 50 pounds. 2 to 2 2/3 cups of dry food 51 to 75 pounds. 2 2/3 to 3 1/3 cups of dry food 76 to 100 pounds. 3 1/3 to 4 1/4 cups of dry food over 100 pounds. 4 1/4 cup plus 1/4 cup for each additional 10 pounds of weight over 100 pounds. Keep in mind that puppies have a smaller stomach than adults, so a mongrel puppy will need to eat 3 or 4 smaller meals throughout the day. By the time most puppies are 6 months old, they should generally be fine with just 2 meals. Look for high-quality puppy food for your puppy. Again, the amount of maintenance and grooming your mongrel will need will vary based on the mix of breeds in their DNA. Longer-haired dogs will require at least weekly brushing, and many shorter-haired dogs also do best with regular brushing to keep their coat looking nice. If you notice that your mongrel's coat is shedding a lot or getting tangled, increase the number of times you brush them each week. If their coat is unmanageable or too long, you can consider bringing them to a professional groomer every few months.